Lad os...
Wanna start by inspecting the body, Anderson?
Præcis, Casey. Vi skal nemlig undersøge offer, det er klart. Men altså, du afbryder jo. Kunne du lade være med?
Body is positioned on the table. Ritualistic.
Vi har fået vores første billede her, så lad os prøve at hoppe ind og se, hvad den har citat. Klikker vi på den.
Another body turns up just as we arrive in town. Coincidence?
Ja, som hun siger, endnu et offer dukker op i skoven omkring Bright Falls. Perfect timing. Er det tilfældighed? Så skal vi finde ud af, om der er et link til... Det trækker tråd til de andre mor. Jeg ved ikke, hvorfor ikke. Continue. Okay. Controls. Investigate the crime scene. If. Okay, continue. If. Okay. Alex Casey lunchboxes.
Finding a Casey movie lunchbox out here can't be a coincidence. Another message.
Whoa. What? Vi har fundet de her madpakker. Eller hvad hedder det? Ja. Kasser. Kasser, som... og også, hvem er det, der går og smider dem herude? Og vi må hellere øje med, om der er flere. Og vi har fundet et par stykker efterhånden, så det er ved. Find evidence, find noget bevismateriale. Og bevismateriale. Hvad er der hernede? Nej. Talk to... Skal vi snakke med nogen? Okay. What? Er det så? Skal man så heroppe, eller? Nej, det ved jeg ikke, hvad vi skal gøre ved. Det kommer nok. Yes. Yep, videre. F.
Inside stab wound. Chest cut open. Heart removed. Bruising on the wrist from the cargo straps holding him down.
Så der er en stor sår i brystkassen, og hjertet er blevet fjernet. Det var der også i nogle af de andre ofre. Og hvad hun sagde, der var nogle blå mærker og sår på håndledene. Det var der også.
The killer left the heart right next to the body.
Og hjertet ligger her ved siden af. Igen, hjertet var også taget ud på en af de andre. Så prøver vi at gå ind og se, hvad der sker. Yes. What? Ej, det er forvirrende der.
No.
Nej. Yes.
Think.
Ja, det skal man måske ikke. Okay. Så finder vi ud af det. Man trykker her, og trykker C, og klikker så. Men det er da forvirrende.
Heart removed from chest, strapped by the wrists. Definitely matches the previous murders. But this time the heart and the straps were left behind. More clues to work with. This makes 4 murders that we know about.
The clues are solved. The open question unlocked the deduction. As you advance the investigation, your questions will be unlocked, updating your goals. Okay. You can check the updated goals by pressing Control. Det gør vi så. Learn more about the victim, learn more about the killer. Ja, tak. Og her har vi ikke noget. Der skal jeg snakke med nogen. Fedt, mand. Men så fandt vi ud af, hvad man gjorde det her. Det var da lidt sådan forvirrende. Men det lykkedes.
Who is our victim? Who killed him? Need to find more clues. Large amount of blood on the table. The victim died here.
Det gjorde han. Det ved vi jo. Nå, der var sådan den herovre.
Multiple people were here. Multiple killers?
Hvad er det?
Someone left in a hurry. Knocked the tripod over. Was it for a camera?
Spændende, om der har været kamera.
Someone was drinking beer. They spent time here, waiting.
En del aktivitet. Og mere end én morder. Masser af blod.
Footprints indicating multiple killers. Quite the party.
Okay. Jo. Har I identificeret offeret?
Any idea who the victim is?
Oh, I sure do. His name is Nightingale. He was FBI. He came to town about 13 years ago. I haven't heard a word about him since. Well, until now.
Nightingale? Robert Nightingale?
Oh, yes. You probably knew him. Brothers in arms. Oh, and sisters.
Så vil jeg snakke med folk og undersøge ens omkring sig, så kan man finde spor. Hvis jeg så trykker her, det var ikke det, jeg ville. Det var her, jeg ville. Trykker case. Se. Der er ikke nogen, der har hørt fra den her mand i 13 år. Hvorfor er han her lige pludselig nu? Og hvor har han været? Så det er Robert Nightingale. Han var FBI-agent. Og der er det sådan en fordel at have spillet etteren, kan man sige. Fordi han kommer i etteren, der kommer ham her agent Nightingale til Bright Falls for... Han er egentlig ude på at arrestere, hvad hedder han, Alan Wake. Så han har en semi-stor rolle i etteren. Og ja. Jeg ved ikke, hvorfor han er her nu. Det har jeg ingen idé om, men han var med i etteren. Så ved vi det. Og det kan være, at vi skal snakke med Casey-drengen. Kendte du offeret?
So you knew our victim.
Well, I didn't recognize him in his current state. But yeah, I ran into him a few times at Quantico. Never worked any cases together. After his partner got killed in the field, he went off the deep end. Got the boot pretty quick after that.
Okay. Hvad skete der efter han blev fyret?
So what happened to Nightingale after the Bureau let him go?
I only know the rumors. Depression led to booze, booze led to paranoia. He got some wild ideas in his head, chased ghosts until he fell off the map. Guess he ended up here.
I bet there's more to that story.
But no happy ending.
Så han har været savnet siden 2010.
Nightingale went missing 13 years ago, 2010.
The same as all the other victims.
Certainly fits the pattern. Makes me wonder what was going on that year.
Probably something this town wants to forget.
I think that's everything. For now, at least.
Mm-hmm. Anything clicking yet?
Not sure.
Lad os tjekke.
Robert Nightingale, ex-FBI, came to Bright Falls 13 years ago.
Oh. Premeditated og spontaneous. Er det noget, man havde planlagt, eller noget, der sådan skete spontant? Ja, der var den her hyleboks fyldt med bajer. Og så var der den her tripod, som er så stativ til kamera.
They planned for the murder to happen here, passing the time with equipment ready. They were waiting for him. But why Nightingale? He's been missing for 13 years. Why here? Why now? Profiling. Get into the subject's head. See what they saw. Feel what they felt. Use whatever I know about them to guide my intuition to a revelation. Piece it together.
Okay.
This mug always cheers me up.
Not the worst. Ikke den værste, mor. Så ved at bruge hendes intuition, så kan hun finde nye spor ved at lave en profil over morderen. Så det prøver vi.
Agent Nightingale has been MIA for 13 years. How did he end up here?
that's not a lake. It's dark. He was there too. You are not allowed in the lake until he says otherwise.
Robert Nightingale came from the lake before his murder. Nightingale was chosen as the victim. Why?
Flick the switch. It goes click. Lights are off. But somebody's home. Somebody's home.
This wasn't some random act of violence. This was a ritual. And Nightingale a component. They didn't see him as a person. More like a container for something.
Okay. Så ham her Nightingale, han kom nede fra søen, kan hun mærke, med hendes intuition. Men hvorfor for det, som 13 år senere, hvor han var inde? Det er skummelt.
The lake is connected to Nightingale somehow. Casey, let's take a look down by the lake. Lead the way.
Sounds good. This way, right?
Right.
Well, okay. Well, I'll just wait here.
I think I saw something. It'll only take a minute.
I'll wait here.
Låst. Det er nok også hernede.
Hello, this is Agent Anderson and Agent Casey, FBI. We'd like to come in and ask a few questions pertaining to an investigation. Nice talking to you, too.
Okay. Klamt. Prøv at tage kortet, se hvor vi er henne. Det er en basser, de var ved. Døren er låst. Eller spærret, så det er mor. Stedet. Nu skal vi... Så vi kan finde vej ned til søen. Spændende. Wait.
A creepy twig sculpture?
Oj.
Hey there, Mr. Deer. You remind me of a dream I had.
Det er de to træk, der betyder. De er der over det hele, de trækkerne. Let this be a warning, fellow trespassers. Ja, det har været en advarsel. Ja, det kan I selv læse.
Wonder what's inside. I should take a look around for a way to open this thing.
Confused. Follow the steps. Wash hands. Take chicken out of fridge. Take a nap. Ah. Okay, hvad stod der? Så det er håndvasken, det er køleskabet, og det er sengen. Skal det også skrive på? For det kan jeg ikke huske lige om 2 sekunder. Håndvask. Køle. Sove. Så prøver vi lige igen. Så. Nu. Mask, det giver også mening det herinde. Så det er trekant. Og så trekant, hvor hjørnerne møder hinanden. Super. Køleskabet. Det er 2 trekanter mod hinanden på spidserne og sådan der. Yes, de overlapper hinanden. Det er vanvittigt kode det her. Så sove, du ikke herinde, var det? Det var vist i den anden ende.
Hey, Casey. What's the far's favorite shape?
Please, Anderson. Just one case without the
A triangle.
I don't get it.
Yes, you do.
Der peger hver sin vej. Fedt. Så. Skal jeg lige være med. Muligvis. Må jeg med den, og så. What? Den der. Yeah! Nice. Står der her. Don't take anything if you aren't one of the trees. Så ikke tage noget, hvis du ikke er en af træerne. God damn. Okay. Nice. Så vi lige prøver at have herind. Det kan jeg sgu. Nej, der er ikke kommet noget nyt. Fedt. Dude. Der har vi været før, så hvis det er fint nok.
Welcome back, Anderson. This one of your hunches, Anderson? Did something happen at the lake?
I think Nightingale came up from that direction. From the lake. Probably looking for shelter. Safety. They were waiting for him.
When you're ready, I'd love to hear what you put together so far.
Sure. It's not that complicated. Nightingale was out in the woods alone at night, possibly nude. The killers knew he was here, ambushed him, dragged him to the campgrounds, strapped him to the table, cut his heart out. But then they were interrupted by those witnesses, the Bookers. The job is unfinished.
That seems pretty complicated to me. What was this guy doing skinny dipping at this time of year?
Haven't figured that part out yet.
Lots of questions.
Lots of answers for us to find.
I didn't know trees got that big.
Det er sæt med stort træ.
Gives me the creeps.
Det er det.
You need to get out more. It is kind of creepy, though. Tracks. Barefoot. Nightingales? They come out from under the boulder.
It makes no sense.
There's a piece of paper on the ground.
Okay.
A page full of text on one side. Not a printout. Written with a typewriter. Old school. Lines scratched out and edits added with a pen.
Like a manuscript. Page of a story. The killer left a message.
It's for us. The text is about us. The victim was one of their own. FBI Special Agent Robert Nightingale. And then there was the page they found. The first step down into terrifying depths.
Reading
The
the
words.
These words felt like a message.
Felt like a message.
Someone knew they were here. Someone playing a game with them. An invitation. How could they not accept?
Even if they knew it would end up hurting them.
Creepy.
Someone's been watching us.
Oh my god.
Game with us.
You were right. This is right up my alley.
Ooh.
Nightingale came this way. Either he dropped this page, or the killers left it for us. I should profile Nightingale about this page. We found a page in the woods. A story about these events. What is Nightingale's role in this?
I carry his words close to my chest now. Inside, the awful truth. You must dig it out.
Something was put inside him. In his chest. I must find out what.
The victim was one of their own. FBI Special Agent Robert Nightingale gone missing 13 years ago. Now he had suddenly turned up, only to be murdered in a brutal and bloody ritual on the very day of their arrival. Ja, så Nightingale, han forsvandt 13 år siden, det ved vi godt. Han blev myrdet i et brutalt og blodigt ritual. Lige på den dag, de her saga og Alex Casey ankommer. And then there was the page, this page. The first page they had found, not the last. First step down into terrifying depth. Secret truth trembling beyond the threshold. Så det er ikke den, det er det første, men ikke den sidste note, de finder. Reading the words, these words felt like a message was a message. Okay. Someone knew they were here, what they were doing, someone playing a game with them, leading them on. An invitation, how could they not accept the sheer audacity of this impossible mystery presented to them, even if they knew it would end up hurting them? Yes, okay. Så kan vi gå herover, og så kan vi... Yes.
I think he came from the lake. but his tracks make no sense. Found all I can here. Time to properly examine the body. See what I can find inside.
Okay. Jamen så hun mener, hun har fundet alt det, hun kan. Nu skal hun... men hun har fundet ud af, at der er noget inde i Nightingales krop, som hun skal undersøge nærmere. Hvor stod det henne? Ja. There's more going on here than I'm seeing. I need to examine this body probably back in town. Så hun skal undersøge det her offer, så Nightingale, tilbage i byen. Fedt, mand.
Casey, I think something's been put inside Nightingale's body. Let's tell the deputies to get the body to the town morgue.
Okay.
Okay. Yep, det er en god idé at løbe.
Whoever wrote that page made sure it read like a story. Like a scene from a thriller.
I hate all of it. The text said we'd find more. I believe it.
But what's the purpose? They're twisting events to create their own narrative. To do what? Entertain some fantasy? Projecting their desires? Are we characters or the audience? Witnesses to their design? All the above?
It's all about control.
You made it back.
Deciding
Good.
what happens to who. Don't let it drag you in.
Too late. I'm already hooked. I need the next chapter.
I hope you didn't get stuck in any of those big puddles. Crazy flooding down there, huh? Just like I said.
Lad os få kroppen tilbage til byen.
Deputy, I want the body taken back to town for a proper examination ASAP.
Well, sure. But the coroner won't be back in town for another week after Deerfest.
Not a problem. I'll do it myself.
Oh, and Sheriff Breaker called to say he's got the bookers at the Oh Dear Diner in town. Oh, and I've got a key to the gate. It's a shortcut back to the parking lot just up the hill.
Tak for det.
Thanks. Let's get the car, drive to Bright Falls, and talk to these witnesses, the bookers.
At the diner, right? I could use a cup of coffee.
Let's try that shortcut the deputy mentioned.
Sounds good.
Seems like a nice town so far. Murders aside. Pretty woods. Cute lodge we got set up in. We should go for a hike if we get a chance.
Now you're just being mean, Anderson.
Deputies aren't exactly up to the task, but hopefully the sheriff will be more helpful.
Not a surprise about the deputies. Doubt they see much stuff this gruesome.
There's another lunchbox.
We all in this together. Vi er alle sammen i det her. Helt. Never heroic day. 2 mere. Anderledes. Ja, tak.
Can't fit the clues all together yet. Heart removed, tripod, tracks leading to a dead end.
A tripod? For a camera? To record a snuff film?
Maybe. And why take out his heart just to throw it away?
To stuff in something for us to find.
Ja, vi kan godt tyde på, hvor der er henne. Okay, speedy. Ah.
Here we are. Let's drive back to town and meet the sheriff at the diner.